Hi students, first of all I welcome you all to my second video on solving questions from the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. The unit 12 of the second PUC syllabus, right? In the first video we solved questions from the question papers, previous annual examination question papers from 2014 to 2020, right? Now see remaining 10 model papers from PU board exams, PU board model papers, right? And here I am going to discuss those questions which will not be repeated, yes, in the previous board exam papers. 1 mark question, 2 mark questions as well as 5 mark questions we'll discuss. First question, now let me see, first of all, for the 1 mark questions, which type of aldehydes do not undergo Cannizzaro reaction? Cannizzaro reaction is shown by aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen. But which type of aldehydes do not undergo Cannizzaro reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? Aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen do not undergo Cannizzaro reaction ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? Aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen. Aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen do not undergo, yes it is, Cannizzaro reaction. Okay na? What are acetals ಅಂತ ಇದೆ? Acetals are the class of organic compounds which can be obtained when aldehydes undergo addition with alcohols. This is acetal. When aldehydes undergo addition with alcohols, you are going to get acetals. What are acetals anta kelidre? They are, yes it is gum dialkoxy. 2 alkoxy groups attached to the same carbon. Gum dialkoxy alkanes, where 2 alkoxy groups attached to same terminal carbon atom. 2 alkoxy groups are attached to the terminal carbon atom, same terminal carbon. This is terminal carbon atom, the last carbon atom. 2 alkoxy groups attached to the same terminal carbon atom. If 2 alkoxy groups are attached to the same carbon, that is geminal. Howda? If I take ketals, look at this. Ketals are of this type. This is ketals. In ketals, 2 alkoxy groups attached to the same carbon, but the carbon atom is not terminal carbon atom. Elli ketals alli. Aldehydes alli 2 alkoxy groups attached to the same carbon atom, and that too terminal carbon atom. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕೀಟಲ್, ಇದು ಅಸಿಟಲ್. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಅಲ್ಕಾಕ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಕಾಕ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಕಾಕ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ terminal carbon atom, that is acetal. Your alkoxy groups are attached to the carbon atom which is not terminal, which is intermediate carbon atom in carbon chain. Howda? Hagagi that's the difference between acetals and ketals. Hagagi acetals are gum dialkoxy alkanes where 2 alkoxy groups are attached to the same terminal carbon atom of carbon chain. Yes. Second question. Third question. Acetic acid is soluble in water. Why? Istane. Because it forms hydrogen bonding with water. Any organic compound capable of forming hydrogen bond with water will be soluble in water. Hagagi. Name the product formed when acetaldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine. When acetaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, reacts with hydroxylamine, this is NH2OH condensation that leads to acetaldoxime. Product is oxime and the product is obtained from acetaldehyde, therefore it is acetaldoxime. This is the product, acetaldoxime. This is the product. Yes, that is name ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ acetaldoxime ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Among methanoic acid, ethanoic acid and propanoic acid, which is most acidic? Methanoic acid. Because in ethanoic acid and propanoic acid we have electron releasing groups which will destabilize the carboxylate ion, whereas formic acid ಅಥವಾ methanoic acid with no electron releasing groups. Hydrogen, neither electron releasing nor electron withdrawing. Therefore, okay, stability of carboxylate is more than that in the case of acetic acid and propanoic acid. Therefore, methanoic acid is more acidic. Or formic acid is more acidic. Yes. Look at the reaction given here. One equation is given and you are supposed to identify X, but you are asked to write IUPAC name of that particular compound. Yes, that is, look at this, C6H5. Yes, C double bond O CS3, that is methyl ketone. Okay, na? If it undergoes haloform reaction, iodoform reaction, halogen badlageniದೆ, iodine ಇದೆ, yes, I2 in presence of base. Iodoform reaction, methyl ketones undergo haloform reaction, okay na? And you know, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, this part will be converted into corresponding sodium salt of carboxylic acid, that is COONA. This part is converted to CHI3. You can go through the details of this equation in the regular classes. I discussed it. This part is converted to CHI3, iodine ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ CHCl3 ಆಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ CHBr3 ಆಗೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? NaOH ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ CHI3 ಅಥವಾ CHX3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Its IUPAC name is triiodomethane. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ and write its IUPAC name ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ the product that is X is triiodomethane ಅಥವಾ iodoform. Common name is iodoform, but ನಿಮಗೆ IUPAC name ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ triiodomethane ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Yes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ, your one reaction is given. Yes, benzene reacts with acetyl chloride. Yes, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and you are going to get acetophenone. Yes, you are going to get acetophenone. Yes, write the structure of X anta. Ida X ನೀವು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride ನಿಮಗೆ X ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to give, yes, it is detailed picture of the molecule. Yes, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ yes, ಈ CS3 ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ H, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ H ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ H. ಎಸ್ C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O ಬರೀಬೇಕು, CO ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O CH3, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ acetophenone when acetyl chloride reacts with benzene in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. ಹೌದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ Friedel-Crafts acylation. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೇಮ್ ದ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಥನಾಲ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಟೂಯಿನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಥನಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes, it is CS3 CHO acetaldehyde. Yes, it will be converted to, yes, it is CS3 CH double bond. Yes, it is CHO. This is a reaction. In order to convert this acetaldehyde into butadienol, you have to go for this, it is sodium hydroxide or the dilute sodium hydroxide upon heating. Aldol condensation it is. Then ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, products of aldol condensation ನೆನ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3-hydroxy butanol ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬ್ಯೂಟಟೂಯಿನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ aldol condensation ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ NaOH ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೇಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಕೀಟೋನ್. ಎಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್ ಬೇಕು. when ketones react with hydroxylamine, you are going to get oxide. So reagent ಯಾವುದು? Hydroxylamine. The reagent is hydroxylamine. This is the, yes, it is hydroxylamine. Yes, this is next one. Look at that. What is Stephan reduction? Next question, 2 mark question. What is Stephan reduction? Give the chemical equation for the reaction ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? In the Stephen reduction, nitriles will be converted into aldehydes. Look at this nitriles or triple bond N. Yes, if it is reduced by using stannous chloride SnCl2 in presence of hydrochloric acid. Yes, nitriles will be reduced to, yes it is. First they are reduced to imines. That is triple bond is converted to double bond. Gamaniಸಿ. Triple bond is between nitrogen and carbon. Add ಮಾಡಿ hydrogen atom. ಒಂದನ್ನು hydrogen carbon connect ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನು nitrogen connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ triple bond is converted to double bond. CHNH. This is imine. This is imine. Yes. This will be, yes, it is subjected to hydrolysis. This will be subjected to hydrolysis in presence of acid. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ O connect ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ H2 connect ಮಾಡಿ. Hydrolysis is carried out in presence of H plus in water. Yes, ಹಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You will left with what? RCHO plus NH3. This is the equation where nitrile is converted to aldehyde. Nitrile is converted to aldehyde. Yes, this is the equation. Yes, when nitriles are reduced in presence of stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid, imines are produced. And imines are subjected to hydrolysis, you are going to get aldehyde. This is the equation. Okay na? Equation ಬರಿಬೇಕು, explanation ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 2 marks. Okay na? Explanation ಏನು? Nitriles are reduced to imines, which upon hydrolysis produces aldehydes. And reducing agent used is stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid. Yes, that is. Next one. 2 mark question ಆಯ್ತಾ? How does ketone react with ethylene glycol? Write the chemical equation ಅಂತಿದೆ. How does ketones react with ethylene glycol? That is, this is addition reaction, addition of alcohols across the, yes, it is carbonyl group, and that leads to the formation of acetals in the case of aldehydes, ketones in the case of, yes, it is ketones. This is ethylene glycol. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ethylene glycol ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If the undergo addition in presence of dry HCl, in presence of dry HCl, ಹೌದಾ? Dry HCl ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Addition ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Look at this. 2 oxygen atoms are connected to carbon there, and you are going to get, yes, it is one cyclic, yes, it is compound, that is, and it is CH2, and of course this is CH2. Yes, it is. This is called ketone plus ketal plus H2 over there. Yes. If I use dilute HCl, reaction will be reversed. If I use dry HCl, it will be in a forward direction. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ the compound is unstable. If I add dilute HCl, it will be, yes, it is converted back to, we're going to get ketone, alcohols will be produced back. Yes. And this is what we call it as equation for the formation of ketones. And of course, the product is ethylene glycol ketol. This is ethylene glycol ketol. ಹೌದಾ? This is ketone. This is ethylene glycol. Yes. And dry HCl ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು must. Yes. And reaction is reversible. Yes. So this is what we call it as reaction of ketone with ethylene glycol. Yes. In presence of dry HCl, and of course that's why we say that keto group can be protected by using ethylene glycol. Yes. What are the effects of electron releasing groups and electron withdrawing groups on the acidity of carboxylic acids? Discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಹೌದಾ? Electron withdrawing groups increase acidity of carboxylic acids by increasing stability of carboxylate ions. Electron releasing groups decrease acidic strength of carboxylic acids by decreasing stability of carboxylate ion. ಹೌದಾ? That is, electron withdrawing groups stabilize carboxylate ion. Electron releasing groups destabilize carboxylate ion. Therefore, electron withdrawing groups increase acidic strength of carboxylic acids. Electron releasing groups decrease acidic strength of carboxylic acids. That's the reason. 1 plus 1. Okay now? How do you convert ethanoic acid into 2-chloroethanoic acid and name the reaction? Nodi. This is ethanoic acid containing alpha hydrogen. You know the property of monocarboxylic acids containing alpha hydrogen. This is alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen. Undergoes, yes, it is chlorination in presence of, yes, it is red phosphorus, right? This is what HVZ reaction. This hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, and you are going to get, yes, it is CH2Cl, and of course CH, and of course COH plus HCl, of course, and it will be followed by hydrolysis there. It will be followed by hydrolysis. Yes, this is what we call it as. It will be followed by hydrolysis. Nodi, when ethanoic acid reacts with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, you are going to get 2-chloroethanoic acid. 2-chloroethanoic acid. The reaction is HVZ reaction. The reaction is HVZ reaction अथवा Hell yes Vollard yes Zelensky, right? Okay, na? Hell Vollard Zelensky, that is Hell Vollard Zelensky reaction. Yes, this is what we call it as name of the reaction. Product is 2-chloroethanoic acid. Yes. Next question, Bunny. Once again, it is 2 more question. Yes. Carboxylic acid reacts with, carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol in presence of constant sulfuric acid. Name the reaction and write the general equation. You know, already studied that when carboxylic acids react with alcohols in presence of dehydrating agent like concentrated sulfuric acid, you are going to get the class of organic compounds called esters. Therefore, the reaction is called as esterification. This is carboxylic acid undergoes esterification with, yes, it is concentrated sulfuric acid, yes, and you are going to get R, COO R dash plus H2O there. Reaction is reversible, and of course, you are going to get ester. This is carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid. This is alcohol, yes, and of course, you are going to get ester. The reaction is esterification reaction. Name the reaction. This reaction is esterification reaction. Write the general equation. This is general equation. Okay, na? Next one. Now, the esterification, whenever you are removing water, you should select OH from acid, H from alcohol. That's the reason I know regular class al kottidini. Note kodibekare videos nodbiಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. Okay na? Next one. How is propane nitrile is converted to propanol? Right equation. ಆಗಲೇ ನೈಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ aldehydes ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ? By the reaction known as, yes, it is Stephan reduction. ಹೌದಾ? By using Stephan reduction, we converted nitriles into aldehydes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ propane nitrile ಅಷ್ಟೇ specific. Propane nitrile is characterized by 3 carbon atoms. This is propane nitrile. This is propane nitrile. Yes. And it has to be reduced first. It has to be reduced first. In presence of stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid. Reduction ಆದ್ರೆ nitrile is converted to imine. And of course, nitrile is converted to imine. This is imine, yes. This imine undergoes what? Acid hydrolysis, yes. This imine undergoes acid hydrolysis, right? Again, CH3, CH2, CH4, this is propanol. CH3, CH2, CH4, propanol plus NS there. This is propanol, and of course, you are going to get ammonia there. This is what we call it as conversion of propane nitrile into propanol. Yes, okay. Explanation. Propane nitrile is reduced to imine in presence of stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid, and imine is subjected to acid hydrolysis to give acid is propanol, and then aldehyde. Yes, that is. Give equation for the reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone in presence of dilute alkali. Type of condensation. What type of condensation reaction is this? ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, crossed aldol condensation it is, right? And different types of aldehydes and ketones undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute phase. Dilute NaOH. You are going to get acid is crossed aldol condensation. Next ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I wrote this equation already. Yes, this is benzaldehyde. Yes, when it reacts with acetophenone, for my convenience, acetophenone can be written like this. Yes, simply you remove water in presence of dilute NaOH at 293 kelvin. The reaction is crossed aldol condensation, right? crossed aldol condensation. The name of the reaction is crossed aldol condensation. Okay, different reactants are there, and of course you're going to get, yes, it is CH double bond CH. Then it is C double bond O, and of course benzene ring. I already gave that IUPAC name of it. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. That is 1, 3 diphenyl. 1, 3 diphenyl. Yes, prop. And of course 2 in 1 al. 1 one, sorry. 1 one. Because one keto group is yes. 2 in 1 one. This is what we call IUPAC name, right? First two and the third positions here, phenyl groups there. That's why it is 1, 3 diphenyl. Prop because of 3 carbon atoms in parent chain, 2 in because of double bond with the second person. Yes, that is. Next one, question number 16 there. Yes. On the equation, you are supposed to identify P and Q in this equation. CS3, CO there, plus NS2, single bond NS2, right? And this is P and the yes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ KOH ಹಾಕಿ ಇಥಿಲೀನ್ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Q ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So that is you are supposed to write. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ N2 ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes, this is the equation given. Yes, and you are supposed to identify P and Q. Look at this. When these two undergo reaction there, yes, it is. This is condensation. You are going to get respective hydrogen CS3 and of course CS3 and of course C double bond N. And it will be NH2, right? This is P. You got P here, yes? If this P is heated with potassium hydroxide in presence of high boiling glycol, nitrogen is removed. That is, nitrogen is coming out. After heating that, you left with what? CS3, CH2, and of course CS3 plus nitrogen. So this is what? This is Q. CS3, CH2, CS3 is Q. P is what? CS3, CS3 double bond and NH2. This is, yes, it is Q there. Which is Q, which is P and brother sakastane. Okay na? So adake very simple, that is condensation nimage gottidare saku. P is what? That is CH3. That is CH3. N NH2. This is P. Q eno? Idan remove ಮಾಡಿ. This is CH3. CH2 and CS3. This is Q. Example ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದು ಸಾಕು, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ PU ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 2+2+1 ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 3+2 ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು 14 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. 17th A ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 17th B 17th C ಆರ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 17th A ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೋಯರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ aldehydes and ketones are miscible with water. Q reason. Like lower members of aldehydes and ketones ಅಂದಾಗ you take acetone with less number of carbon atoms, that can form hydrogen bond with, yes, it is water like this. This is negative end, this is positive end. Lower members of aldehydes and ketones can form hydrogen bonds with water. Therefore, they are soluble in water or miscible in water. That is the reason. Reason, they form hydrogen bonds with water. Yes. 18th B and C ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ A already repeated. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ name the product obtained by the reaction of acetyl chloride with dimethyl cadmium. You are supposed to name the product that is obtained when that is dimethyl cadmium reacts with acetyl chloride. Okay na? That is preparation of ketones from dimethyl cadmium. Look at this. First you go for this CS3COCl. Yes, this is acetyl chloride. Cadmium, yes, dimethyl cadmium. This is, yes, it is cadmium. This is dimethyl cadmium. Yes, this is dimethyl cadmium. 1 mole of dimethyl cadmium reacts with 2 moles of acetyl chloride. Look at this. 1 mole of Dimethyl cadmium reacts with 2 moles of acetyl chloride. Yes. And you get, CS3, COCS3, right? We're going to get CS3, COCS3, right? You look at CS3, COCS3. That means totally you are going to get 2 molecules of acetone. This is the product. Name the product obtained by the reaction of acetyl chloride with dimethyl cadmium. This is dimethyl cadmium. This is acetyl chloride. You are going to get acetone. The name of the product is acetone, or you can say propane 2-one. This IUPAC name is propane 2-one. This is the name of the 2 molecules. Okay, na? That is. Usually, explain the reaction between carboxylic acid and PCl5. One of the properties of carboxylic acids that they react with, yes, it is phosphorus pentachloride. And here, any organic reaction for that matter, PCl5 replaces OH group attached to the carbon, is it not? That is, OH attached to the carbon can be replaced by chlorine. Therefore, RCOCl. PCl5 it replaces OH by chlorine. And of course, you are going to get POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride, and HCl there. This is carboxylic acid. When carboxylic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride. Names na baribeku, yes. Carboxylic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride. That leads to the formation of acid chloride. This is RCOCl, acid chloride, that is the reaction. Yes, you are going to get acid chloride. 18C adu. 18th year repeat ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. 19th A ಮತ್ತೆ C ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 19th B ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ ಕ್ಯಾನಿಜರಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ CH3CHO ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು HCHO ಇದೆ. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನಿಜರಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? The one which doesn't contain alpha hydrogen, that is formaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation. Formaldehyde undergoes canigerous reaction. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? Which of the following organic compounds undergoes canigerous reaction ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is formaldehyde. Answer is HCHO ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Yes. Explain the conversion of carboxylic acids into amide. Yes. Give the general equation ಅಂತಿದೆ. Explain the, yes, it is conversion of carboxylic acids into, yes, it is amide. Give the general equation. You know that when carboxylic acids react with ammonia, you are going to get ammonium carboxylate. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಗಲೇ ಬೆಂಜೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು. ಈಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್, when carboxylic acid react with ammonia, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ carboxylic acid donates H plus ions. This is carboxylic acid donates H plus ions and gets converted to, yes, it is ammonium carboxylate. Yes, this is ammonium carboxylate. This is ammonium carboxylate. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್, when it is heated, heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ it loses water and gets converted to acid amide ಅಥವಾ amide. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is H2O there. Yes, this is acid amide. So this is what we call it as conversion of carboxylic acids into amide. Explanation ಏನು? ಜನರಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ R ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, when carboxylic acids react with ammonia, you are going to get ammonium carboxylate, which upon heating produces acid amide. Istana. Okay na? Next. Explain Itard's reaction ಅಂತಿದೆ. Explain Itard's reaction. Yes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನೇಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ A and B in the following equation. ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ A and B ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Yes. Name the reagent used in the decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to give the name of the reagent that can be used to bring about decarboxylation. Decarboxylation ಅಂದ್ರೆ removal of carbon dioxide from carboxylic acids. ಹೌದಾ? We'll see that one by one. Yes. First question, Itard's reaction. Yes, in the Itard's reaction, toluene, this is toluene, yes, will be converted to, yes, toluene will be converted to, yes, it is aldehyde. CH there, right, like this CH, H2 baritini. Yes, it reacts with, yes, it is Cr O2 Cl2, 2 molecules, right? ಹೌದಾ? And in presence of carbon disulfide, yes, out of two oxygen atoms, one oxygen atom is of course attached to carbon, another oxygen atom is absorbing hydrogen, therefore it is converted into, look at this, CH. Yes, this is one oxygen is attached to, yes, it is carbon, O, Cr, OH, Cl2, this is O, Cr, OH, Cl2, ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಎರಡು ಕ್ರೊಮೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ O2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ OH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು OH ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವೆರಡು ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ತರ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲಿಸಿಸ್, and finally you are going to get, yes it is benzaldehyde. This is hydrolysis. Yes, hydrolysis ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will be converted to benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. Yes, that is when toluene reacts with chromyl chloride. This is chromyl chloride, and toluene reacts with chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide followed by hydrolysis, benzaldehyde is obtained. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅವುಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ as ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್, ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ toluene into, ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ benzaldehyde. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ as Itard's reaction, where toluene will be converted to, yes it is benzaldehyde. Yes, next one. ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ you have to identify A and B there. Yes, you are supposed to identify A and B in the given reaction. Yes, look at this. The given reaction is 2 molecules of acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH, A plus B ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು A ಅವನೇನಿದೆ, that is when A is heated it loses water and you are going to get B ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಡಾಲ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, this is CH3, yes, CH, OH, and of course CH2, or the beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is the A there, this is A. ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, when it is heated it loses water. ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ CH single bond CH ಇದು CH double bond CH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is, of course we already discussed, but in different headline. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this is but 2 enol, this is 3 hydroxy butanol. ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 hydroxy butanol, all because of aldehyde. but 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ in second position, ಇದು 1 ಇದು 2, second position ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ but 2 enol, all because of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ, aldehyde group ಇದೆ. yes, that is what we call it as B. Answer for the question B. Yes, name the reagent used in decarboxylation. ಏನು ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Yes, soda lime ಏನದು, fused mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. That is soda lime. That removes carbon dioxide in the form of sodium carbonate. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 21A ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ BC ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ when propanone reacts with sodium bisulfite? Write the chemical equation. That is aldehydes and ketones react with saturated solution of sodium bisulfite to give white crystalline precipitate. ಹೌದಾ? That is the reaction. We'll see that how that propanone ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you have to start that with propanone, CH3, C double bond with that, and of course sodium bisulfite, NaH, SO3 there. Addition across the double bond. Yes, addition across the double bond takes place. Then you are going to get CH3, yes, and of course CH3. This is SO3H, and this is ONA. Even I explained this reaction in detail in a regular video. You can see that this is intermediate. It undergoes, yes, it is rearrangement. Rearrangement takes place. Strong acid displaces weak acid. Therefore, We're going to get, yes, it is SO3 1. We're going to get a salt there. Strong acid displaces weak acid. Weak acid is alcohol. Sulfonic acid is strong acid, displaces alcohol there. Rearrangement of hydrogen and sodium takes place. This is white crystalline solid. Name of this is, as it is so, propanone sodium bisulfite. Propanone sodium bisulfite, that is white crystalline property there. Yes, this is the equation. Okay, na? And of course, in main what happens, and write the equation. Write the equation, 1 mark. What happens when propanone reacts with saturated solution of sodium bisulfite? This is sodium bisulfite. Yes, sodium bisulfite. Spelling note. SULPHITE, sodium bisulfite. So we're going to get white crystalline precipitate of propanone sodium bisulfite. Yes, this is propanone. This is propanone. Yes, right. Okay, na? Next. Innೊಂದು question ನೋಡಿ, 22B ಇದೆ. A already repeat ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 22B ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, alpha hydrogen atoms of aldehydes and ketones are acidic. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, electron donating groups decreases acidic strength of carboxylic acid. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. And as far as look at this, aldehydes and ketones are concerned. If I say this is yes, it is this is one ketone or aldehyde. Yes, it contains alpha hydrogen, right? In presence of base like OH minus, right? In presence of base like OH minus, yes, OH minus absorbs H plus from this particular acid is alpha hydrogen, and that leads to acid is CH2 minus. Look at this. The question is, why that alpha hydrogen atoms are acidic and they can be removed as H plus ions? Why can we remove these hydrogen atoms in the form of H plus? Because that carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group, is it not? Electron withdrawing group is going to, yes, it is weaken CH bond. CH bond becomes weakened. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, CH bond ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, weak ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ hydrogen can be removed in the form of H plus. One effect, one reason, that is acidic nature of alpha hydrogen is due to the electron withdrawing nature of CO group. One reason. Second reason is this particular carbon ion formed after losing H plus, it is converted to carbon ion. That carbon ion is resonance stabilized. Notice that carbon ion is resonance stabilized. Notice this can be stabilized by resonance. Because of that resonance stabilization of carbon ion formed and electron withdrawing nature of CO group, that results in acidic nature of alpha hydrogen. ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? The acidic nature of alpha hydrogen is due to electron withdrawing nature of CO group attached to the alpha carbon. Second is the carbon ion formed after losing H plus ion is stabilized by resonance. That is the reason. Yes. Next one. ಆಮೇಲೆ electron donating groups decrease the acidic strength of carboxylic acid. ಯಾಕೆ? Because electron donating groups destabilize carbocation. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Anything that destabilizes carbocation is going to decrease acidic strength. Anything that stabilizes carbocation is increasing acidic strength. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, electron donating groups destabilize carboxylate ion. Electron donating groups destabilize carboxylate ion. Yes. Write the equations for the reactions. 23A ಇದೆ. B and C ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 23A ಇದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, write the chemical equation for the conversion of ethanoic acid into ethanoic anhydride, ethanoic acid into ethanamide. How to convert? Yes, it is. This is ethanoic acid plus one more ethanoic acid you have to take. This is ethanoic acid. When it is heated in presence of phosphorus pentoxide, a strong dehydrating agent, a molecule of water is removed between two acids. ಎರಡು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಅಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಅಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಇದು ಇಥನೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಇದು ಇಥನೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಇವ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದೇ ನೋಡಿ, CH3, C double bond O, and of course CH3, CO. This is what we call it as, yes, it is anhydride there. Whatever the product that is obtained after removing water between two acetic acid molecules. ಬರೀ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲದು, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ in presence of P2O5 followed by heating. This is ethanoic anhydride. This is ethanoic anhydride. This is ethanoic acid. Yes. This is ethanoic acid. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ B. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ethanoic acid ethanamide. Look at this. ನೀವು ಬೆಂಜೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ನ ಬೆಂಜಮೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು ಇಥನೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ನ ಇಥನಮೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ acid base reaction. Okay na, H plus will be denoted by acetic acid to ammonia. So we are going to get ammonium acetate. Yes, we are going to get ammonium acetate. This is ammonium acetate. Yes, and upon heating, then heat ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it loses water. It loses water, and you left with what? CH3 CONH2. This is ethanamide. The conversion of ethanoic acid into ethanamide. Yes, so this is one more equation you have to draw. Yes, you have to write. Yes, two equations here, 2 marks, right? 24B ನೋಡಿ, what are A and C repeat ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. What are X, Y, Z in the following reaction? ಒಂದು reaction ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and you are supposed to identify Y and Z. Yes, ಆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ Y and Z ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, ಅದು ಗ್ರಿನಿಯಾರ್ಡ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ RMGX. This is RMGX plus Y. Yes, RMGX plus Y. Yes, and over the arrow mark you must write diether, dry ether. Whenever Grignard reagent is there, there must be dry ether. Yes, and our ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ RCOO MGX. Okay na, and of course H3O plus, and of course Z ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? This is the reaction. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ RMGX RCOO MGX ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? There must be carbon dioxide. COO ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? That can be by carbon dioxide. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ Y is equal to what? CO2. Preparation of carboxylic acids from Grignard reagent using dry ice. Carbon dioxide. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And of course Z is what? Therefore Z is what? RCOOH. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Y is CO2, Z is RCOOH. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, RCOONA, ರೈಟ್. ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೋಡಾ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ NaOH ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ CaO. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ CO2 is removed in the form of Na2CO3. ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು? Left with what? RH plus Na2CO3. This is alkane. You are going to get alkane. ಅಂದ್ರೆ carboxylic acids can be converted to alkanes by decarboxylation reaction. Second reaction ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. CH3 COOH ಅಲ್ವಾ? This is carboxylic acid. ಹೌದಾ? And when it reacts with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, ಯಾವ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾದರೆ? HPZ reaction. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜಿನೇಷನ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ can be attached to the alpha carbon atom. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಥವಾ hydrogen atoms attached to the alpha carbon can be replaced by halogen in presence of red phosphorus followed by hydrolysis. Then you are going to get ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, then remaining as it is. This is chloroethanoic acid. One hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, you are going to get chloroethanoic acid. This is HPZ reaction. ಹೌದಾ? So this is what we call the decarboxylation reaction. ಹೌದಾ? So these are the questions. So they asked in previous exam papers ಅಥವಾ in PU board model papers ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay na? So this is what we call it as the chapter aldehydes and ketones. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ 7 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ previous annual exam papers as well as that questions of PU board model papers. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ರೈಟ್, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.